Now there is a father looking for his little boy.
What do these markings mean?
I never knew my father.
Come here. Good luck. We're all mates here,
I
mate.
can't read human.
Well, then we gotta find a fish that can read this. Hey, look, shark!
No, Dory!
Guys!
No, Dory!
Hey, that's mine. Give
Dory,
me!
cut it
Give
out!
me! Ow!
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Ow,
I'm
ow.
so sorry.
Hey, you really clocked me there. You want bleeding?
Oh.
Ow.
Dory, are you okay? Oh, that's good.
Intervention!
Just a bite.
You hold together, mate. Fish are friends, not food.
Food.
Dory, look out!
I'm having fish tonight.
Remember the steps, mate.
Just one bite. Good, eh?
There's no way out. There's gotta be a way to escape.
Who is it?
Dory, help me find a way out.
Sorry, you'll have to come back later. We're trying to escape.
Okay, there's no way out. There's gotta be a way out.
Look, here's something. Escape. I wonder what that means. It's funny. It's spelled just like the word escape.
Let's go.
Here's Brucey.
Wait a minute. You can read?
I can read? That's right. I can read.
Well, then here, read this now.
He really doesn't mean it, you know. He never even knew his father. Don't fall off the wagon.
Oh no, it's blocked.
No, Bruce, focus. Sorry about Bruce, mate. He's really a nice guy.
I need to get that mask.
You want that mask? Okay.
No! Quick, grab the mask! Grab it!
Oh no, Bruce.
Water. Swim away! Swim away!
Is the party over?
Nice.